Welcome to Target Cubicle Coding Academy. Today we are going to discuss about what is HTML, how you can execute an HTML file and some of the basic tags. So without wasting much time, let me start the video.
The full form of HTML is Hypertext Markup Language.
It is used to create web pages. When we open a website, we can see the background color, design and the basic framework. The basic framework of a website is always designed with the help of HTML and it is not a case sensitive language. So beginners, there will be one question, that is, what is a case sensitive language? Case sensitive language is a language that distinguish between uppercase and lowercase. That is, if a language is a case sensitive language, capital A and small a will not be same. Okay, it will be different. But if a language is not a case sensitive language, capital A and small a both will be same. So what are the main requirement for it? At first we need a text editor. You can take any text editor, for example Notepad. Then after you finished writing your codes in the Notepad, you need a web browser where you will execute your codes. So I'm just creating a text editor, giving the name first, okay, and just opening it. Now, what is tags? Tags are always written between these two sign, greater than and less than. So let me first do one thing. Let me increase the font size of this page. So I have increased the font size of this page, so it will be better now. So a tag always starts with like this. We have to give the tag name and then we have to write everything and then we have to close the tag. So this is always the opening tag, this will be the closing tag. So now what is the opening tag of an HTML? The opening tag or the main tag of every HTML document is here HTML tag. So let me write HTML and the closing tag of HTML tag is like this, HTML. So whatever we are going to write, we are going to write within these two HTML tags. After HTML tag, the next tag is head tag. So let me open the head tag and let me close it also. Then let me write everything within this head tag. Okay, we will be doing the scripting, that is the client side scripting and the server side scripting within this head tag. And scripting is very much required to create dynamic web pages. So within this head tag there can be a title tag. So what is a title tag? Let me first show you. Title tag always starts like this and title tag ends like this. So within this title tag, let me write something. Let me write HTML first. Okay, and what I have to do, file, I have to save it. So let me save it first and give an extension. We have to always give extension like .html or .htm. So let me give the extension .html and I will be saving it in the desktop. So let me save it. So you can see a web file have been created. So let me open it. So I always prefer opening on Google Chrome. Okay, so you can see what is written over here. It is written HTML first. So where I have written this, I have written it over here in the title. So whatever we are going to write in the title, it will be coming over here. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everyone. Now the next tag, that is the body tag. Whatever the content of the website will be, it will be inside the body tag. So let me write body and let me close the body. So whatever we are going to write, we are going to write within here. So let me write something. H1 says welcome to Target Cubicle Coding Academy. Okay, let me close it. Okay, and what are the main things I need to do? I need to save it. So I am using the shortcut key Control S to save it. So I am saving it. I'm refreshing it. So you can see, well, it is written on the web page. The rating has come over here. So now there will be some question, what is H1? We will be coming with all of them in details in the upcoming videos. Don't worry. Okay. Now suppose we want to comment something. So to do commentation, we do like this. We start it, then we give this. Within this, we give our comment. Suppose the comment is first video, and then what we do, so the commentation is done. The commentation never comes on the web page. See, I have saved it. Now I'm going to come to my web page. I'm refreshing it, so you can't see the commentation has been reflected on the web page. So commentation never comes on the web page. Now suppose I want to see this in the center. So for seeing in the center, I have to use center tag. So how to use the center tag? So let me show you. So where we have to use the center tag, we have to write the center tag within this, that is, sorry, I have to write this within the center tag. So let me write the center tag over here, and where we will be closing it, we will be closing it after this line. So let me close it. See here. Okay, save it, Control S again, and then refresh it. Don't forget to refresh it. Okay, see, you can see it in the center. If you want to underline it, what you need to do, you need to add another title tag, U for underline. Okay, and where you are going to close it, before this tag. Okay, so slash U. So center tag will start first, so it will end at the last. It will start at the second, it will end at the second last. So let me save it. So you can see it's underlined. I don't want it to be underlined, I want to be italic. Okay, so what I will be doing, I for italic. Okay, now what I will be doing, save it and again refresh it. So you can see it's italic. So these are some of the basic tags that are used in HTML. In the next video, we will be doing some formatting tags. Till then, goodbye. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get daily notifications. And please like the video. Thank you everyone.